Bored, boring, excited, exciting, interested, interesting. What do these words mean and when do I use them? What's up guys, my name is Shane and by the end of this video you will know how to use adjectives that end with ed and adjectives that end with ing. A lot of adjectives are like this. They have two forms. One ends with ing and the other ends with ed. Okay, let's look at ed adjectives first and make sure you watch until the end of the video because there will be a quiz to test your understanding. I am so bored. What am I talking about here? Am I describing the situation? No. Am I talking about how I feel on the inside? Yes. So that's why we use ed adjectives to talk about feelings. Another example, he is so excited. He is getting a new phone today. Am I describing the phone? No. Am I describing the situation? No. Am I talking about how he feels on the inside? Yes. So again, we use ed adjectives to talk about feelings. One more example. They are really interested in learning languages. What am I talking about here? Am I describing a language or languages? No. Am I talking about how they feel on the inside about languages? Yes. So that's why we use ed. It's really easy, right? Ed and feelings. That movie last night was so interesting. What am I talking about here? Am I talking about how I felt about the movie? No. Am I talking about the movie? Am I describing the movie? Yes. So that's why we use ing adjectives to describe something. Another example, it's so exciting. He is getting a new phone today. What am I talking about? Am I talking about him? No. Am I talking about the phone? No. I am talking about the situation. I am describing the situation of him getting a new phone. It's very exciting. And one more example. He never goes out. He never says anything. He is a very boring person. What am I talking about here? Am I talking about how he feels? No. Am I describing him, what he is like? Yes. So that's why we use ing adjectives. We use ing adjectives to describe something or someone. So in summary, ed for feelings, ing to describe something or someone. Now, let's have a little quiz to test your understanding. Question number 1. I've got nothing to do today. I'm so bored or boring? And the correct answer is I'm so bored. Why? Because we are talking about my feelings, how I feel on the inside. Number 2. I've got nothing to do today. It's so bored or boring? And the correct answer is it's so boring. Why? Because I'm not talking about my feelings. I am talking about the situation. The situation of having nothing to do is so boring. Question number 3. My new teacher at school is very interested or interesting. He has lived in many different countries. And the correct answer is my new teacher at school is very interesting. Why? Because I'm describing him. I am talking about his personality. Number 4, I feel so annoyed or annoying. I just can't solve this problem. And the correct answer is I feel so annoyed. Why? Because we are talking about feelings. Last question, question number 5. That workout was very tiring or tired? And the correct answer is that workout was really tiring. Why? Because we're not talking about my feelings, your feelings, his feelings. We are describing the workout.